What happens if a pilot has a medical emergency at 40,000 feet? What happens if both pilots are incapacitated and nobody in the cabin knows how to fly? For most of aviation history, that question had no good answer. In 2026, it does. The plane lands itself. This is the Cessna Citation CJ4 Gen3, the best-selling light jet in private aviation, now completely reimagined. New avionics that have never existed on any aircraft before. A safety system that can autonomously land the plane without a single human input. Factory winglets, a redesigned cabin, and operating costs over 10% lower than its closest competitors. 10 minutes. Everything you need to know. Let's go. Before we talk about what is new, you need to understand what the CJ4 already was, because this aircraft has earned its reputation over 15 years and more than 450 deliveries worldwide. Textron Aviation announced the original Citation CJ4 at the 2006 NBAA conference in Wichita, Kansas. It took its first flight on May 5, 2008, and entered service in 2010. From day one, it was the largest aircraft in Cessna's Citation light jet segment, and it immediately set the benchmark for what a single-pilot light jet could do. Powered by two Williams International FJ44-4A turbofan engines producing 3,621 pounds of thrust each, it offered a maximum range of 2,165 nautical miles, a cruise speed of 451 knots, and access to airports that larger jets simply cannot reach. In April 2023, Cessna delivered the 400 CJ4. In April 2025, the CJ4 family celebrated its 15th anniversary of certification. Over 450 aircraft delivered globally. Air ambulance operators, corporate flight departments, charter companies, owner pilots. The CJ4 serves all of them, reliably, efficiently, and with operating costs that no competitor in this category has been able to match. In 2021, Cessna launched the CJ4 Gen2, upgrading the interior, avionics, and auto throttles. And then in October 2024 at NBAA in Las Vegas, Textron Aviation unveiled what comes next, the CJ4 Gen3. And this time, the upgrades are not incremental, they are generational. The Emergency Autoland. This is the feature that changes everything, and I am going to spend the time on it that it deserves. Garmin Emergency Autoland is now standard on the Cessna Citation CJ4 Gen3. Every single aircraft. Not optional, standard. Here is exactly how it works. The system continuously monitors pilot responsiveness during flight. If the pilot stops interacting with the aircraft, no control inputs, no responses to automated prompts, the system initiates a responsiveness check. If the pilot does not respond, Emergency Autoland activates automatically. No passenger needs to press anything. The system takes over on its own. From the moment it activates, the aircraft handles everything. It broadcasts a distress message to air traffic control, automatically in plain language. It evaluates every nearby suitable airport simultaneously, weighing factors like runway length, weather, fuel remaining, and airspace. It selects the best option, it flies the approach, it executes the landing. It brings the aircraft to a complete stop on the runway, automatically, without any human input from anyone on board. A dedicated button is also available in the cabin for passengers to activate the system manually if they can see the pilot is incapacitated. Press it once. The aircraft takes over from that moment. This technology first appeared on Garmin-equipped turboprop aircraft. The CJ4 Gen3 is the first jet in the Citation family to carry it, and it arrives as a standard feature on the most widely operated light jet platform in private aviation. Think about what that means across the entire CJ4 fleet. Charter operators, air ambulance missions, owner pilots flying single crew. The peace of mind this system delivers to passengers, families, and operators is genuinely impossible to put a price on. And after the CJ4 Gen3 certifies, existing CJ4 Gen2 owners with autothrottles will receive a service bulletin giving them the opportunity to add Emergency Autoland to their aircraft as an upgrade. The technology does not stay locked to new production. It rolls back through the fleet. The Garmin G3000 PRIME, the Cessna Citation CJ4 Gen3 is the first aircraft in the world to feature the Garmin G3000 PRIME integrated avionics suite. Not the first light jet, not the first Citation, the first aircraft of any kind anywhere to announce this technology. Here is what that means in practice. Every primary display is fully interactive with multi-touch technology, the same responsiveness as a modern smartphone. Pilots can zoom into charts, change waypoints, and interact with every system through the screen surface directly. The menu interface is flat and intuitive. Everything a pilot needs is a maximum of one touch away, not buried in sub-menus. The engine indicating strip has interactive slide-outs giving direct access to engine and system settings without leaving the primary flight display. The Garmin control unit gives pilots an additional method of manual control, an alternate input pathway if the touchscreen ever needs to be bypassed. The system runs on faster, more responsive processing hardware than any previous G3000 variant. And critically, it supports software-based updates. The avionics suite can be updated remotely as Garmin develops new capabilities, meaning this cockpit does not become outdated the year after delivery. Also standard, the Garmin GWX-8000 Storm Optics weather radar, one of the most advanced airborne weather detection systems available in this aircraft category, and synthetic vision technology, a full 3D representation of terrain, traffic, and obstacles displayed on the primary flight display even in zero visibility conditions. The continued 525 type rating means any pilot currently rated on the CJ4 Gen2 can transition to the Gen 3 without a new type rating. Same certificate, new aircraft. Performance. The CJ4 Gen 3 carries over the proven performance of the platform, and the numbers are excellent. Maximum range, 2,165 nautical miles with NBAA IFR reserves. That covers the eastern United States coast to coast, London to Reykjavik, Dubai to Mumbai, and thousands of mission profiles that operators fly every day. Maximum cruise speed, 451 knots. That is 519 miles per hour. Maximum operating altitude, 45,000 feet, above commercial airline traffic, above most weather, in the clearest and most efficient air available. Engines, 2 Williams International FJ44-4A turbofans, each producing 3,621 pounds of thrust. These are mature, proven power plants with an exceptional reliability record across the full CJ4 fleet history. Takeoff field length is 3,410 feet. Landing distance is 2,940 feet. These numbers give the CJ4 Gen3 access to thousands of airports that are completely out of reach for larger jets. New for the Gen 3, factory winglets with enhanced accent lighting. Winglets improve aerodynamic efficiency by reducing induced drag at the wingtips, improving range, reducing fuel burn, and giving the aircraft a sharper, more aggressive profile on the ramp. The enhanced lighting on the winglets increases the aircraft's visibility on the ground at night. A practical safety improvement on top of the performance gain. Also new, lithium-ion batteries replacing the previous battery system. These provide stronger, more reliable engine starting power, particularly valuable in cold weather operations, and Linksys integration, a real-time maintenance data system that helps owners and operators plan maintenance and repairs proactively, reducing downtime and unexpected costs. The cabin, the CJ4 Gen 3 cabin has been redesigned from the inside out based on direct customer feedback, and the result is the most refined CJ4 interior ever produced. Cabin dimensions: 17 feet 3 inches long, 4 feet 10 inches wide, 4 feet 9 inches tall. Up to 11 occupants, 2 crew and 9 passengers. Baggage capacity of 1,040 pounds. The cabin layout typically features a forward divan, a side-facing sofa that converts, followed by a 4-seat club arrangement in 2 forward-facing chairs at the rear. Seating has been completely redesigned. New ergonomic leather seats with updated cushioning, designed based on what CJ4 owners and operators told Textron they wanted most. The seats recline and swivel. The side ledge and tray table have been fully redesigned for better in-flight productivity. Wireless cabin management is now standard. Control lighting, temperature, and entertainment from your device. Cabin acoustics have been significantly improved. The Gen 3 is measurably quieter inside than the Gen 2, a meaningful improvement on longer missions where fatigue from cabin noise compounds over time. 2 interior collections are available: the standard Sandstone Collection and the premium Premier Collection. The Premier Collection adds quartz countertops, seat quilting, decorative overhead stitching, and, notably, a vanity with a full sink. In a light jet, a vanity with a sink. That is the level of detail Textron is putting into this aircraft. The lavatory is externally serviceable, a practical operational feature that charter and commercial operators appreciate enormously. Single-point refueling is standard. The aircraft is designed to be as easy to operate on the ground as it is in the air. Price, market, and who it is for no official list price for the CJ4. Gen 3 has been published by Textron Aviation at the time of this video. The CJ4 Gen 2 was priced at approximately $9.61 million. Based on the scope of upgrades, the G3000 PRIME avionics, factory winglets, lithium-ion batteries, redesigned cabin, and Emergency Autoland as standard, the Gen 3 is expected to price in the range of $11 to $13 million. That is exceptional value for everything this aircraft delivers. Operating costs are over 10% lower than the closest competitors in this category. Over a typical ownership period of 5 to 10 years, that cost advantage compounds significantly. For corporate flight departments comparing the CJ4 Gen 3 against the Embraer Phenom 300E or the Honda Jet Elite 2, the economics of the CJ4 are consistently difficult to beat. The market for this aircraft is broad. Owner pilots who fly themselves and want the most capable, safest single-pilot jet available. Corporate flight departments running regional and domestic missions who need reliability, low operating costs, and access to smaller airports. Charter operators who need a platform passengers trust and whose families will feel genuinely comfortable boarding. Air ambulance and special mission operators who need proven short-field capability and a wide range of accessible airports. Textron confirms the CJ4 Gen 3 is expected to enter service in 2026, the same year you are watching this video. Order books are open. If this aircraft is on your radar, the conversation with Textron Aviation in Wichita needs to happen now. Dassault Falcon, 15 years, 450 deliveries, the best-selling light jet in private aviation. And Cessna just made it better in every single dimension that matters. The world's first Garmin G3000 PRIME avionics, Emergency Autoland standard on every aircraft, factory winglets, improved acoustics, redesigned cabin, lithium-ion batteries, vanity with a sink, and operating costs over 10% lower than the competition. 2 Williams FJ44-4A engines, 451 knots, 45,000 feet, 2,165 nautical miles. single pilot. Entering service 2026, the Cessna Citation CJ4 Gen3 is not chasing the future. It is defining what a light jet is supposed to be. Subscribe to Alitalux, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment. Would you choose the CJ4 Gen3 over the Phenom 300E? I read everyone. See you in the next one.